Hello everyone, my name is Zamre Rushikesh Shankar and my today topic for daily task is the clinical research. We all know that the clinical research is very important in the drug discovery. The clinical research in which the study is performed on the human being. In a clinical research to check the safety, efficacy and the adverse effect of the new drug. Clinical research is to perform clinical research it is very necessary for the approval of the new drug. The reports will be submitted regulatory authority to get the approval of the new drug. Then there are generally four phases of the clinical trial, that are phase 0, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. And also phase 4 is involved in the clinical trial, but it is also known as pharmacovigilance phase, which is used for the post marketing surveillance. Let's see one by one phases of the clinical trial. First of all, the phase 0. The phase 0 phase is also known as microdosing phase, because in phase 0 there are small scale operation which we conduct on the small and very small healthy volunteers, that are generally 20 healthy volunteers are involved in the phase 0. That's why it is also known as microdosing. Then check the effect of drug in that healthy volunteers. So phase 0 is essential. Then phase 1. Phase 1 it is also known as pharmacokinetic phase. In that study of ADME and pharmacodynamic also study in phase 1. In that the generally 20 to 80 healthy volunteers are involved in phase 1 to check the side effect of the drug. The phase 1 is concerned with the human toxicity, tolerated dosage, human toxicity and tolerated dosage range, and also to check the effect of the drug. Then type of phase 1. The phase 1 has a generally three types, that is SAD, single ascending dose, that and another is MAD, that means multiple ascending dose, and another is food effect. Then phase 2 it is also known as uh, therapeutic exploratory phase. In that generally 100 to 300 healthy volunteers are involved in the phase second. Then in phase second to check the efficacy and safety of the new drug, and phase second is concerned with the safety, efficacy, toxicity and also with the drug interaction. Then phase second is controlled by the single blind technique. In that the patient and healthcare and researcher, they both know the which drug is given, they both are blind. Then phase third phase third is also known as therapeutic uh, confirmatory. This is the large scale operation. In that generally 300 to 3000 healthy volunteers are involved. In that the new drug is given and to check the safety, efficacy and side effect of the new drug. The phase third is the most expensive phase, and also it required the large time, that is time consuming, because large amount of healthy volunteers are involved in this phase, so the time required is large. Then the phase third is concerned with the safety, efficacy and also toxicity of the new drug, which will be checked in third second. And the side in a phase third, the comparison with other drug which should be also done to compare the drug with another drug. Then it is controlled by a double blind technique. Then phase 4 is also known as post marketing surveillance. It is also known as a pharmacovigilance phase. In that to check the long term safety of the drug after it should be launched into the market, to maintain the long term safety of the side of the new drug. And phase phase 4 is also essential for the maintaining the adverse drug reaction. So that this is all about the clinical research which which should be done in human being. So thank you.